Hello, everyone. Time for some sound practice. Sound number 1, ah. Repeat, ah. Please write the sound ah. Pause the video if you need to. Number 2, I. Repeat, I. Please write the 3 ways you can say the sound I. Number 3, Repeat, Please write the 3 ways we can say the sound Pause the video until you are ready to correct. Here we go. A, I, If you did not get them all correct, please write them correctly off to the side so that you have practice doing it correctly. Otherwise, we are done. I will see you next time with more sound practice.